Hello everyone. So in today's video I am showing you all how I transform my lace front wig into a headband wig. So I'm wetting my hair because I need the moisture. Even though I just got out the shower, if you have low porosity hair, not only do you want to work in sections, but you need to make sure that your hair has some sort of wetness, some sort of moisture in it while you are doing the style that you're going to be doing. Now because this is a headband wig, you don't really need to worry about your hair laying flat, so I'm just going to be putting in about 10 to 12 braid plaits in my hair, and it's going to save me so much time. Like, this is a quick, simple routine. What I'm using to style my braids is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Twist and Setting Lotion. So whenever I decide to take my braids out, I'll be able to wear it out, fluff it, and go. So the most important thing that you'll see me doing as I plait my hair is just making sure that each strand is detangled, because when you're braiding, sometimes it can become tangled up again. So I make sure that I'm just going in with my fingers, just an extra step to make sure it's fully detangled. If you are enjoying today's video, please subscribe. It helps me out so much, especially by turning on that notification bell and giving this video a like. So you want to get the kind of tightest wig cap that you have, just to make sure it gets all of those thick braids down and as flat as possible. From then, I make sure that it's all underneath the wig cap, and it's time to work on my edges. What I literally use all the time is the edge booster. Like, I know no other. I've used a lot. I actually should film a video because I've used so many kind of different edge controls, but this mess, it's not mess. It works the best for me, y'all. It works the best. And this edge comb that I have is just something that's probably $5 that I got from the local beauty supply store. Again, you can get the edge booster in various colors from your local beauty supply store. So as you saw, I kind of did a motion of I sweeped my edges back, then to bring the little baby hairs down and swoop them in my desired style. That helps me the most. So yes, this wig looks crazy. Stay till the end of the video, y'all. She's got some twisting because I'm doing a twist out with the wig. I know she looks crazy. I know I look like a clown, but just you wait. Just you wait. I'm going to just put a little bit of oil on my hands and start to unravel the twist and fluff like it was my own coils and curls. So I'm going in with my knotted headband and just again put it on like you would any other kind of hair or wig. Make sure that wig don't slide back. And then you're using the headband to conceal the lace and get it as secure as possible. Alright y'all, what do we think? I think that this is a really easy and cute look. I moisturized, conditioned, did everything I needed to do to my natural hair. She's tucked underneath, she's safe. Now I got my headband wig on and I'm ready to go about my day. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Again, I'm going to link the wig in the description box. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at @globetrottercurls and subscribe to this channel. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers and I know we can do it. I know we can. All right, until next time, I will see y'all. Bye.